Yes, Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the math class. Previous class we learned how to find the solutions of a simple equation by using trial and error method, and also we learned some introduction to balancing method of balancing which help us to find the solutions of simple equations. Now let me give you some examples of simple equations, how to find the solution by using method of balancing. So let me take one example over here. X plus 2 is equal to 7. So now we have to find the x value by using method of balancing. Method of balancing. How can we find the x value in method of balancing? So we have to make it x separate. We have to make x alone. So how can we make x separate? We have to remove this plus 2. Yes, we have to remove this plus 2 so that we can see x will be separate. Now tell me, how can I remove this plus 2? Yes, remember this concept. Plus opposite we can take here minus, into opposite we can take here division. So when we have plus quantity, to remove that we can do minus on both sides. Plus 2 is there. So how can I remove this? By adding, subtract 2 on both sides. Plus is there, we can do minus on both sides. Minus 2 on both sides. Again subtract 2 on both sides. Suppose minus 2 there means we'll do opposite operation. Plus 2 on both sides. Suppose into 2 there means division 2 on both sides. Suppose division 2 there means its opposite into 2 on both sides. So like that we can simplify and we can find the solution by using method of balancing. So let me take one example here. X plus 5 is equal to 7 beta, and one more example I take here. X minus 5 is equal to 7, and one more I take here. 5x is equal to 7, and let me go with next example 4. X by 5 is equal to 7. X by 5 is equal to 7. Now let us find the solution of each and every problem by using method of balancing. Now let me solution put again. We have to make it x alone. We have to make x separate. So how can I separate? We have to remove plus 5. So to remove plus 5, what we have to do? Minus 5 we have to both sides. Plus opposite minus. Now we can write subtract. What we have to subtract? Subtract this number on both sides. Subtract 5 on both sides. Subtract 5 both sides. From both the sides. Let me write here x plus 5 is equal to 7. From LHS we can subtract 5. Even from RHS also we can subtract 5. As we learned in previous class, by subtracting same number from both the sides, no change in the result. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. We can see x is equal to 7 minus 5 how much? 2. X is equal to, yes, x is equal to 2 is solution of this equation. Submit in the place of x to by 2 plus 5 7. LHS 7. RHS also 7. Now let us go for next solution. We have to find the x value. We have to make it x separate, x alone. We have to remove this minus 5. So how can I remove this minus quantity? By adding. What we can add? 5. We can add 5 both sides. Now let me write here adding 5 both sides. By adding 5 both the sides, let us see LHS what here, x minus 5 is equal to RHS what, 7. So by adding 5 LHS, adding 5 RHS, minus 5 plus 5 cancel, x is equal, we can write 7 plus 5, 12. X is equal to 12 is the solution. You can go for checking also better. In the place of x, submit 12 minus 5, 7, LHS 7, RHS also 7. So when we have minus, to make it x alone, we can do plus 5 on both sides. Minus opposite operation is plus, we can see here now. 5x, in between there is no symbol, into. Now we have to make it x separate. How can I make x separate? We have to remove this into 5. How can I remove this into 5? By dividing. Division there means into. Into means division. So to remove this into 5, we can do by 5 on both sides. Solution by here. Let me write now divide by how much? 5. Divide by 5 both the sides. Now divide by 5 both the sides. Let us write 5x is equal to 7. LHS can divide by 5. Even RHS also divide by 5. 5 cancel. You can write x is equal to how much better? 7 by 5. X is equal to 7 by 5 is the solution. You can go for checking also here. Yes, how we can do check here? Checking, you take the given question. 5x is equal to 7. What is the x value you got? Replace the place of x in bracket. 7 by 5 is equal to 7. See, 5 ones are 5 ones are. We got 7 is equal to 7. Yes. X is equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is the value of variable which makes LHS, RHS both are equal. So that we can say x equal to 7 by 5 is the solution. Now let's see example 4 by 8. Yes. Example 4 what I gave? X by 5 is equal to 7. So here we have to make it x separate. We have to remove this by 5. So how can I remove this division by 5? Remove this division, we can go with multiplication. Multiplication we can go here. So what we can write now here? Multiply. Yes. So right now multiply 5 both the sides. Multiply 5 on both sides. Why? Because they are division. Opposite of division is said multiplication. Let me write x by 5 is equal to 7. So multiply 5 LHS and multiply 5 RHS. 5 ones are 5 ones are. We can see LHS x. 7 5s are 35. Yes, x is equal to 35 is the solution. This also you can go for checking over here. Yes, how can I verify this correct or wrong? Take the given question. X by 5 is equal to 7. In the place of x, I got 35. Replace 35 better. 35 by 5 is equal to 7. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Yes, I got 7 is equal to 7. So like this you can verify the solution is correct or wrong. This is the way we can find the solutions of simple equation by using method of balancing. Minus, see, only simple thing is just you can make it whatever the variable is present, you make that variable is separate alone. What extra, if any number is there, remove that number. Suppose minus quantity is there, you can remove plus 5, add plus 5 both sides. Plus 5 is there, plus opposite I said minus, you can do minus that number on both sides. Into there means we will divide by both sides. Division there we will go with multiplication. Hope you understood. Now we will go with exercise 4.2. Okay, now we will see here some example now based on method of balancing. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Solve the equation. So we are going to find the solutions by which method over here? Method of balancing. Method of balancing. By using this method, we are going to find the solution of these simple equations. They are asking write the first step, then solve the equation. Solve the equation means we have to find the value of that variable which is present in the equation, which is also called solution. So let me explain here. First one over here, this first one. The given x minus 1 is equal to 5. So to find the x value, to solve this equation by method of balancing, first we have to make it x alone, x separate. How can I make x alone but x separate? This minus 1 we have to remove. So how can I remove this minus 1? By adding plus 1 to the both sides. I told you that minus opposite can take plus, for into we can take opposite division. So when we have minus quantity, to remove that we can do plus on both sides. Plus that quantity on both sides. So first we will do here add 1 both sides. Both LHS and RHS we need to add 1. So after that this is the first step we required. Yes, this is the first step which they are asking. Then they are asking solve the equations. X minus 1 is equal to 5. LHS will add plus 1. Even RHS also plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 0. X is equal to 5 plus 1 6. I got x is equal to how much? 6. Then we go for next second one here. Yes, what is second one now? X plus 4 is equal to 17. X plus 4 is equal to 7. Even here also we have to make it x separate. To make it x separate, plus 4 we have to remove. How can I remove this plus 4? To remove the plus 4, we need to subtract. We need to subtract. How much we subtract? 4. Subtract 4 from both the sides. Yes, that is the first step we can write here. We can write the first step. Subtract. Yes, we can write subtract 4. Subtract 4 from both the sides. Both LHS and RHS. Yes. Now we will take here LHS what? X plus 4 is equal to 17. From LHS subtract 4. Do the same thing from RHS also. plus 4 minus 4 cancel 0. X is equal to 17 minus 4 how much beta? 13. X is equal to how much? 13. Then we'll go for next third one. Third one again 2x is equal to how much? 18. 2x is equal to 18. Even here also we have to make it x separate. 2x in between, if there is no symbol we can take into. So we have to find the x value. We have to make x separate. Extra what we have into 2. How can I remove this into 2? Yes, when we have into I said we will divide both the sides. What we can divide? We can divide the 2 so that we can cancel 2 2. Yes, let me write here. Divide 2 on both sides. So both sides we can divide by 2. So this is our first step. This is the first step will be given. Take the LHS is equal to 18. So LHS divided by 2. Even RHS also divided by 2. In between there is no symbol I take into. Is 2 ones are cancel. X is equal to 18 by 2. Simplify this both is possible better. 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. Yes, x is equal to 9 is the solution. We go for next example 4. We can see a by 4 is equal to 20. Next day a by here. A by 4 is equal to 20. Yes, fourth one. A by 4 is equal to 20. Now here to make it a separate, this by 4 we are divide. Division 4 we have to remove. So how can I remove this division 4? By multiplying. When we have division I said by multiplying. So what we have to multiply? Yes, we can multiply by 4. Yes, let me write here. Multiply 4 both the sides. Both LHS and RHS multiply by 4. Because we have division. Yes, a by 4 is LHS, RHS is 20. So multiply 4 LHS and multiply 4 even RHS also. Simplify it up, 4 ones are 4 ones are cancel. A is equal to 20 into 4, 4 2 say 0, 80. A is equal to 80 is the solution. Next one we'll see my fifth one. 5p is equal to minus 40. Yes, fifth one. 5p is equal to minus 40. In between no symbol into. So to separate p, to make it p alone, extra we have into 5. Yes, when we are into, how can we remove that? By dividing. What we can divide? Divide by 5 both the sides. Let me write here now. Divide 5 both the sides. Both LHS and RHS will divide by 5. 5p is equal to minus 40. LHS divided by 5. Even RHS also divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Here we can simplify 5 ones are 5 eggs are 40. We can write p is equal to minus 8 is the solution. This is the way we can find the solution of simple equations by using method of balancing. Hope you understood. Yes, here we can see few more examples which are based on method of balancing. They are asked to solve these equations by using method of balancing, and we have to find the value of the variable. So first one, 3p minus 12 is equal to 0. P is the variable. We have to find the value of this p by using method of balancing. Let us see first one solution over here. 3p minus 12 is equal to 0. Now tell me first step, anyone, what we can do here? First, we have to make p separate. So how can I make it p separate? So to make it p separate, first we have to remove this minus 12. Then we can remove this into 3. So when we are going to remove, first importance we can give for plus and minus. And then second importance will go for into and division. This you can remove after that. Why? Because this into 3 is along with p. First you said minus 12. Minus 12 is away from p, no? So this minus 12 remove first. Means here minus 12 or plus 12, whatever is there, we'll remove these terms first. Then we'll divide, then we'll remove the term which is along with that alphabet, along with the variable. Maybe it is into or division. So first we have to remove this minus 12. Yes, when we have minus, we need to add both sides. What we can add? Add the same number both sides. So minus quantity is there. To remove this, we can do plus on both the sides. How much we can add? With the same number we can add both the sides. Let me write add plus 12. So minus there we can do plus, so that both will cancel. From there we can make it p separate. Same number we need to do. Add plus 12 both the sides. Now both sides we will do plus 12 but again. So 3p minus 12 is equal to 0 we have. So LHS will do plus 12. Even RHS also will do plus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 cancel. Here I got 3p is equal to 0 plus 12 12. 3p in between no symbol we can add into. So still we need to make p separate. To make p separate we have into 3. How can I remove that into? When we have into, what I say? Do division. So divide. What we can divide? How much we can divide? Same number. Divide the same number both the sides. Yes. Now tell me what is step 2? Yes. We can write divide by 3 both the sides. Divide the same number on both sides. Now I can write 3p is equal to 12. LHS let me divide by 3. Similarly RHS also will divide the same number 3. We can simplify this. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 3 4s are 12. Yes, I got p is equal to 4 is the value of the variable which is called solution also. So when you submit this in the given equation which makes LHS RHS both are equal. Then we'll go for next second example over here. What type of second example? Here we have second example is 20p by 7. Yes, 20p by 7 is equal to 3. So we have to make it p separate. Extra what we have 7, 20. This both we have to remove so that we can see p separate. Then you may get the doubt. Sir, first we can remove 20 or 7. 20 is along with p, no beta. So 7 is away from p. First we will remove 7. Then we think about the 20 which is along with the alphabet. So how can I remove this by 7 then? To remove this division, we can go with multiplication. So to remove this division 7, we can multiply. Into means divide, plus minus we can do. So now division 7 there, to remove this we can do multiply 7 on both sides. Multiply the same number 7 on both the sides. So solution here. So first step, let me write here multiply 7 on both sides. Multiply 7 both the sides. Both LHS and RHS will multiply with 7. So let me write here 20p by 7 is equal to 7. LHS multiply by 7. Similarly RHS also multiply by 7. 7 1s are 7 1s are. So here you can see 20p is equal to 3 into 7 21. Still p is not separated. So along with p more we have 20 into p. How can I remove this into 20 better? To remove that into, we can go with division. Divide the same number on both the sides. Then let me write step 2. So step 2 write divide. What we can divide? Same number. Divide by 20. Divide by 20 on both the sides. I mean both LHS and RHS. 20p is equal to how much? 21. LHS divide by 20. Similarly RHS also divide by 20. 21s are 21s are. Yes, we can write p is equal to 21 by 20. It is already in simplest form. If not, you can convert. That is the p value. So like this, we can find the value of the variable by using method of balancing. Now let us see here third one. Yes, what is third one here? 3y plus 6 is equal to 21. 3y plus 6 is equal to how much? 21. We have to make y separate. Extra we have 3 6. First what we can separate? 6 I said. At last we can remove the term which is along with the alphabet. So first we have to give plus 6. I said first importance. Plus minus term we can remove. Then the terms which are along with variable. So how can I remove this plus 6? When we have plus, I said we can go with minus. Minus means subtract same number from both the sides. So solution for here. Let me write step 1. What we have to do here? Subtract. Yes, how much? Same number 6. Subtract 6 from both the sides. Yes, now let me subtract 6 from both the sides. What is LHS? 3y plus 6 is equal. What is RHS? 21. Subtract 6 from LHS. Do the same thing from RHS also. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. I got 3y, sorry. 21 minus 6, 15. Now tell me step 2. Still how can I make y separate? We have still into 3. So how can I remove this into 3? By dividing the same number. Dividing the same number. Let me write here now, divide by 3 both the sides. Now both the sides you can divide by 3. So this will make it step 2. So let me continue here now. 3y is equal to 15. Yes, 3y is equal to 15. 3y is equal to 15. So LHS will divide by 3. Even RHS also divide by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. These both are possible to simplify. You can simplify. 3 ones are 3 fives. I got y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 is the solution. Still you want to verify? You can submit here. 3 into y, 3 into 5, y value 5, 3 by 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 is equal to 21. You can go for checking also. Now let's see last one, fifth one. Sorry, fourth one. 5x is equal to 0. I have a question here. 5x is equal to 0. So we have to find x value. We have to make x separate into 5 there. Then we can remove that into 5. So how can I remove the into 5? By dividing same number on both sides. Now let me write here, divide by how much? 5. Divide by 5 both the sides, both LHS and RHS. 5x is equal to 0. LHS divide by 5. RHS also divide by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. We can write x is equal to 0 by something is always 0. X is equal to 0 is called solution. This is the way we can find the solutions of simple equations by method of balancing. Hope everyone you understood today class how to separate the variable. So based on that you can complete this exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 you can complete it overlook. Thank you once again. We'll meet next class.